Ephraim. Ephraim, what are you about to do?
A bike check.
Alright, so, alright, let's go.
So, I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do. I guess I'm supposed to tell you what I have.
Yeah, alright, I'm gonna tell you the grips.
Grips. These are lizard skins. Very old lizard skins, baby blue.
Bars.
My bars, I have Scavenger Swift bars.
Same shit as mine. Stem.
Stems, Primo Annihilator.
Alright, fork.
Sabrosa.
Alright, frame.
It's a premium gutter shark.
Alright, and cranks.
I think they're Colony. Not too sure. I think they're Colony.
Colony. Chainwheel.
Chainwheel? You talking
Yeah.
about this guy right here?
Yeah.
This is a Fit. Oh, Kink. Pardon. Kink Chainwheel. Got a bug on me.
Chain.
What is it? KMC.
KMC chain. And the back hub.
Demolition. Oh no, yeah, demolition back hub.
And
demolition rim.
in the front.
Front is a Odyssey Hazard Light with a demolition hub.
And seat.
My seat is a S&M rail seat with a demolition post.
Okay. And tires, you ride ASMs.
ASMs and a premium
2.95 in the back, and in the front you got 2.30. 2.25. This is 2.30. And fuck your bottom bracket, it doesn't matter. And let's hear your hub. And not bad. And the pegs.
Oh, Animal Lights.
Animal MK3 lights, red and blue.
And I have a Shadow Conspiracy hub guard.
Shadow Conspiracy hub guard, black in the back. There you go. And that's Ephraim.
Bitches.